Bumoto nga po kayo, pagbuno na ng mga walang sawang bumoto.
101.1, yes, FM. And 96.3 is wrong.
The VP Choice Award goes to 106.7 Energy FM.
The Boomhouse at the Pod Network. Contact Arrest, Gandan Kara, and Papa Chat.
The VP Choice Award goes to Carjack Arrest of Gandan Kara and Michael Jackson. Congratulations!
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for winning the podcast award. It's a new venture. We never really thought of the venture out of the so thank you very much. Lalo na po yung Carjack fans. Talaga tulong pa ako sa inyo. Everything. Love you. Thank you very much po.
Thank you. Are you excited to work with Catherine?
Kasi okay lang kasi
Dito Larkin,
pinopunod lang tayo lang.
ay parang sitness. Yes po. Picture. Thank you.
Ma'am, ano yun?
Opo, bukas po ng alas 8 pero ang nagaling muna ako ng taping dito Lord sa Los Baños. Diretso mo. Bye-bye.